Okay, I'm going to walk you through the problem you had a question about. Okay, it said that you had a triangle ABC and a triangle DEF where ABC is 76% the scale factor of DEF. Okay, so what that says is I'm going to start out with DEF and I'm going to label it X. And I put a 1 in front of it so we understand it's just 1X. Then ABC is 76% of that, so I made a decimal and made that 0.76x. Then it indicated that GHI was 44% of DEF. So if DEF is 1x, then the side that corresponds to it is 0.44x, or 44% as a decimal. So what I did is I just made the ratio, and I did triangle ABC to DEF. So in ABC, it's the small triangle here. We've got 0.76x, and DEF is the large. So that's what your ratios look like. All right. Then the question of the problem, though, is, so how does that make GHI and ABC compare? So here's what I did. I said, okay, we could make two ratios. We could either make the ratio of ABC to GHI, or we could do GHI to ABC. So let's do both. All right, so this one, in the first, ABC to GHI. So triangle ABC is this one, so that's 0.76x. GHI is this one, so that's 0.44x. All right, then I said, well, that's the same thing as 0.76 over 0.44, and I divided that out. All I did is do 0.76 divided by 0.44, and I get 1.73, and as a percent, which would move that 2 places to the right, and that would be 173%. So now let's think about that. If this side is 0.44 and this one's 0.76, 0.44 times 2 would be 0.88. So that would be what 200% would be. So this one is not quite that, and this isn't quite 200%. Now, likewise, when you're doing the GHI to ABC, now GHI is the 0.44, so it goes on top now. So see, these two ratios, the numbers are the same, it's just the triangles are switched. Remember, we just keep everything on top is the same there, on the bottom is the same there. So in this triangle, it's GHI is 0.44x, ABC is 0.76x. Again, the ratio is 0.44 to 0.76. Divide those, the top divided by the bottom, and get 0.58, or 58%. Now, let's go back and think. If this side was almost twice this side, then that would mean this side is half of the other one. So it was almost twice, so that means this is going to be a little more than half, and 58% is a little more than half. Now, I hope this helps. Just remember, keep your ratios, be careful with your ratios. If this is triangle ABG, then everything on the top has to correspond to that triangle. Okay?